Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to unclog a garbage disposal drain. First off, you don't want to put any really toxic chemicals down in your garbage disposal because it is a little more sensitive than your regular drains, and you don't want to deteriorate anything that's down in your garbage disposal. You want to keep it working for a long time. It's not something you want to replace. So, what I say with any drain in the house, but especially your garbage disposal since it's in your kitchen, is go the non-toxic, earth-friendly way. Use your baking soda and vinegar. They have a really cool chemical reaction when they meet. It bubbles up and fizzes. Baking soda is really abrasive, and it's really good for unclogging drains. You just want to sprinkle baking soda down into the drain. Not a whole bunch, but enough where you know that it's coated quite a bit of the inside of the drain. Then, get the vinegar open. Pour vinegar in there. Just a little bit. And you can hear it fizzing. It's really neat. It's like a science experiment anytime you mix baking soda and vinegar. It's pretty cool. I would let it sit like that for about 30 minutes before you turn the water on. Rinse it off really good. And then there you go. You may have to repeat that process a couple of times, or if it's really bad, if the clog is beyond just, what you can see down in this pocket right here, you may have to get your husband to look under the sink, or your neighbor, or the handyman, whoever, to look under the sink and see if there's something actually in the pipes that they need to unscrew. But in that case, you need to let a plumber do that. I don't even know where to begin when it comes to under the sink. But this is a good idea for unclogging it, and for catching clogs before they get too bad. Vinegar and baking soda is excellent. If you want to keep it clean and keep the blades sharp, you can drop pieces of ice down in there, and that helps keep the blades sharp so they can chop the food up better, and you're less likely to get clogs. So, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you unclog a garbage disposal.